How to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Navi Federal. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money from Wells Fargo to Navi Federal. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide through. In order to transfer money from Wells Fargo, first open up Wells Fargo. You should get an interface almost like this, as you can see on the screen. At the bottom, you'll find Pay and Transfer option. You want to simply tap on it, and you'll be headed to this page. On this page, you'll get the option to transfer, send money through Jelly, or pay bills or wire money. Simply tap on transfer option on the screen, and now here you'll be prompted to choose from which account you want to transfer to which account. So what you can do is tap on select account option right from. Under it, you'll be able to choose your particular trust bank account that you would like to send the money from. Then you can select it. Then the next step is again tap on to option, tap on select account, and now this time you'll get another pop-up. Here you want to tap on add non-Wells Fargo account since you want to transfer it to your Navi Federal, right? Once you tap on it, this page will pop up. Here you want to confirm the account ownership if you are the owner of this non-Wells Fargo account. Then select the account type here, Navi Federal. Select the account type, the type of account that you have. Then go ahead through the prompts here, account number and such, and you're good to go. This is how you can transfer money from Wells Fargo to Navi Federal. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.